Buenas noches, and half a day to my fellow Guamanians. Look at us. We are in paradise. Has been that story of our greatness and ingenuity. Tonight, it gets a little darker. Our stars will shine brighter, illuminating our history and our path to tomorrow. And at dusk, hundreds of thousands of our people will turn on their lights, and from the heavens, this island will look like a bright star in a sea of Pacific nations. Resting below the laddie-stones and the ancient sites are the spirits of a people reawakened at this hour by the excitement of a new century, a Guamanian century of pride, prosperity, and opportunity.